Hello, we'd like to welcome you to ACMC's Wellness Kitchen. We'd like to invite you to join us May 5th for our Cinco de Mayo celebration. We're going to kick off our very first live Wellness Kitchen event. We're going to invite you to come out each and every month with us to learn a healthy recipe, meet some of our physicians and great staff that work here at ACMC and Premier Fitness. My name is Allison Loudermilk. I'm the Referral and Community Outreach Coordinator here at ACMC, and I will be making, by high demand and request, a skinny margarita with or without the alcohol. So that will be my recipe I'm bringing to you on May 5th.
And I'm Caroline Welker. I'm over here at Premier Fitness as the lead fitness and wellness specialist, and I'll be making fish tacos.
And my name is June Parmarter. I'm the Director of Wellness Initiatives for ACMC, and I'm going to be making a keto salsa.
And I'm Sarah Wetzel. I am a wellness specialist here at Premier. I teach a walking class, and I also work with companies to set up a wellness program with them. And I will be making a healthy guacamole.
So again, we'd like you to join us here May 5th at 1 o'clock for a live demonstration of some really great food, great recipe, and a great time with our friends here at ACMC and Premier Fitness. We'll see you then.
See you then.